Okay. Okay guys, this video is gonna be a little different, and this is video about all the boxes of the electronics we bought so far, and we've been collecting those empty boxes. Here's me, Alisa. Alisa, how are you? We've been collecting those boxes and keeping it together, and now
Chromecast is
now
gone.
we're gonna revisit it and see what you got.
Oh,
So
there it is.
we have so many things together. We're gonna separate it, and
Are you gonna add iPads?
Mayank is gonna help.
Are you
You
gonna
put
add?
a small one first. What you put there?
I put phones, but those are like the smallest. How about we start with something
Can you
big?
show one by one so that we have on record?
Yeah. Oh my God, get these out.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. iPhone, iPad.
That's like worth
MacBook
1,000,
Pro.
more like 1,000. Okay, this is an iPad Air 2.
So iPad Air 2 goes first.
Used to be my iPad all the way until 2023 of
This
December.
This is again.
Mihika's iPad.
Because iPad.
You can tell because it's 32 GB.
The GB.
This is a case.
This is just a case. Okay.
I think it's for like the
There's
iPad.
one more iPad, right? There should be one more iPad.
I think that's for like the first generation iPad Air.
Did you have it? Or we lost it?
I don't know. Oh, I still remember this. I don't know where did that.
Be careful.
Wait, is this? Wait.
That's a keyboard.
Wait.
Okay, let's keep it everything.
I'm so back to Apple.
Keep all the big boxes.
Google Home. We should try that
We have
out.
this one also.
That no longer exists. The Touch Bar MacBooks.
There's a mini iPad.
iPad Mini.
No, the one that we.
The 2024 one.
Yeah, I think we lost it.
No, I think I have it in the cabin.
Cabin?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Sir.
Okay. So while Mayank is getting it, we'll just. Put...
This is a mess.
Now this is
Be
all.
right back.
This garage is all mess. So let's let's stack everything for the phone. So one. That's this is 2. We got 3. Then we got 4. What else we have here? 5. Then 6. Can you imagine? We use so many phones. Then what else we have? Then we have a Magic Mouse. And then we have this AirPod Pro.
You're taking a trip down.
Oh my god, these two. What is this?
iPad Air 5th generation.
Okay, mine got a AirPad.
Don't worry about my slippers. Those are the best I could find. By the way, this is so.
This AirPod first generation, and mine got a.
I don't think those are first generation. I think those are second.
This is first generation, and this is Pro.
Okay.
Okay,
That counts, I guess.
what you got? Now.
Wait a
can you-
minute. These iPad Airs are big than these than those classic iPad Airs.
Can you make it fit properly?
I'm gonna start with these actually. And I'm gonna go to this.
Can you put the remaining one? The phone is in the remaining area. Okay, start with the biggest one. Which is the biggest one?
The iPhone 11.
Okay.
iPhone 10R and iPhone 11 are the same, but then iPhone 13, it got smaller.
Okay. Can it fit in here? Yeah, you can fit in.
I want to check what's inside of this box. Oh,
Oh,
there's actually something.
oh, we never knew that we had this one.
Wait,
What is this? Which one is this?
this is iPhone 11.
When did you get this?
2019,
We never used this one.
December 2019.
Okay, let it be. We're not intend to use anything.
Those
This
are
is the one
wired
that-
anyways.
Those are the one got microwave, right?
Yes. Put the small ones there because smaller. They just cut it down and.
Keep the logos in the same direction. You can fit in somewhere here.
Don't read the barcode.
We have some more boxes. Yeah, you have to fit in properly, otherwise it will.
AirPods.
The Galaxy. This is a Samsung S8.
I found a magic trackpad.
No, first get a phone.
Phone?
S8.
I don't know where's the essay.
That's there near this anchor. Under the anchor one, there's S8.
There is it.
Oh, this is my first phone.
So do you see what's inside?
Check it. It's mostly empty.
Let's see. Wait, where do you open this from?
This is open.
I'm not a huge Samsung fan though. Wait, here? I think it's a sliding one. Let's see. Where do you open it? Where? Now
Okay, so this is Samsung S8. We are checking what's there in.
Not much. This is a GTE and this is a USB-C.
And
Wait, what is this a battery? No, I don't. I
this
think
is
it's.
silica gel. So keep it back.
Never mind,
So
don't-
that's S8.
Don't
And
worry about that
interestingly,
one.
We found $10 bill also in this one.
Don't use it.
Hey, put it properly. Don't do it.
Oh, I forgot. Well, I forgot it was magnetic. There you go back. I never want to see that. I'm never gonna see this, I guess.
Okay, so you want to put it back and then. Okay, so we have one more Galaxy
I found the S4.
S4. This is the first.
I think it's cracked. I think it's still working, but it just doesn't.
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh! Don't read this. Don't read this.
Yeah, keep it back. Keep it
How about you just read it off camera?
Okay. Now, what you got? No, find the pencil. We had a pencil, right? I think it's again in
This
a
is the GoPro one. The
Courier.
one that got lost in the India trip.
Courier. There's a Courier
I
one.
found. Wait, I need.
Tozo. No, Tozo.
I need to go through here. Back up.
That's
Wait, I
okay.
still remember this.
There's one more S4. Yeah, this is
Anchor.
Anchor.
This is the iPhone screen protector, I guess.
Oh, this is what? Oh, Mac.
Do you need this?
Yeah, I want it. I told you. Then where is that phone? One for the watch.
The Apple Watch thing?
Yeah, the Apple Watch.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I got it. See,
Finally.
this is for Apple Watch.
Wait, that one? I haven't seen an Apple Watch box.
Wait.
Yeah, I guess I'll just watch the unboxing video on YouTube. Don't need to mess this up.
Okay. Now let's put everything. All the small one goes there, and then big one goes here, and then we'll just keep it up.
How about I just watch on YouTube? I just don't. I'm not gonna open it.
Okay. Keep it this side.
Oh my gosh. Do it the smart way, not the hard way.
Go pop. Bring the pencil box. It's there. It must be there in the Courier.
How is there a pen?
Yeah, these are accessories.
पेन्सिल बॉक्स कधीचा सियाटलला घेतलेले ते गेले कधीच.
Don't worry about this.
What?
That's an Amazfit.
Okay. So, and these are all the MacBooks we got. 1, 2, and there's
This
one
is
Dell.
a 2019. This is a 2024 or 2025.
Can you show me what is it?
This is a trackpad. This is mouse. This is 2 AirPods. This is the AirPods
There's one
Pro.
more. We had a 2 Magic Box.
Magic mouse.
काय ओपन करते.
Empty it, guys.
I don't know about
This is the first one. That's 2019, right? Ma'am?
2019. Yes.
2019 MacBook Pro.
You can tell because it has the escape key there. The
And
2018
this is-
ones are the
this is
one. The
this
2018 one is the one that has the escape key in the touch bar. If it's 2019, you can tell if it's 2019 if the escape key is a key not in the touch bar.
What about this one?
This is 2024.
What's the configuration?
You can tell right here. It's M4.
M4 Max. And this is M4 Max. It's a very high configuration, 48 GB. M4
I feel
Max,
like it costs
1 terabyte.
$10,000
So this is
to
around
pay.
$4,000, $4,001, and this is a Dell one.
I hope it doesn't. I don't get hangry and destroy it. Otherwise, it's gonna cost a lot to repair. I don't know where's the next one, but I just found another.
It must be in Mika's room. So this is a. Oh, show me.
But I don't want to go to her room.
Show me. So this is a pencil, and we also had a Axon 7 ZTE, and this is Axon 7 ZTE, and we have a fond memory of it where
A bad thing just happened.
just bad thing happened and mine can recollect it. What happened, man?
I'm not gonna tell.
So
It's personal, and it's a long time ago.
okay,
I think like 2017 that incident happened.
the 17th incident happened. I lost Axon 7.
Wait, I want to see what is this. I want to see this out.
Go, go. Lauto.
Let me go. I want to go see if this still works
Yeah,
or
I'm
if
gonna
it.
try it whether it's working or no. Meanwhile, I'll fix
I'm just
it.
gonna put this off to the side. Put this off to the side, and also it's so heavy.
Yeah, go ahead.
I still remember in 2019 when I put it into reset mode and then it just destroyed. Now I need to watch a tutorial and maybe we'll get this back.
Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll just put everything up there. Okay.
Okay,
So
go
this
ahead.
This is our inventory of the.
Give me this box.
Empty
Get
box.
it.